Explosion-proof phone jacks and data jacks are essential components in hazardous locations where flammable gases, vapors, or dust may be present. These specialized jacks are designed to prevent the ignition of flammable substances by containing any sparks or electrical arcs that might occur during the connection or disconnection of equipment. They are commonly used in environments classified as Class 1 Division 1, as well as other hazardous areas. The primary function of an explosion-proof jack is to provide a safe and reliable connection point for communication and data transfer in potentially explosive atmospheres. These jacks are engineered to meet stringent safety standards and regulations, ensuring the protection of personnel and equipment. Their design incorporates features that eliminate or minimize the risk of ignition, thereby preventing explosions. Explosion-proof phone jacks and data jacks typically feature a robust construction to withstand harsh environmental conditions and potential physical damage. The housing is usually made of a durable metal such as aluminum or stainless steel, which is capable of containing an internal explosion without igniting the surrounding atmosphere. The housing is also sealed to prevent the ingress of moisture, dust, and other contaminants that could compromise the jack's performance or safety. The connectors used in explosion-proof jacks are specifically designed to minimize the risk of sparking or arcing. These connectors often incorporate features such as shrouded contacts, recessed pins, and positive locking mechanisms to ensure a secure and reliable connection. The materials used in the connectors are also carefully selected to minimize the potential for corrosion or degradation in harsh environments. The selection of an appropriate explosion-proof phone jack or data jack depends on several factors. Firstly, the specific type of hazardous location must be considered. This includes the classification of the area, such as Class 1 Division 1, Class 2 Division 1, or other relevant classifications. The classification determines the type of hazardous materials present and the level of risk associated with them. Secondly, the type of equipment that will be connected to the jack is an important consideration. The jack must be compatible with the communication or data transfer protocols used by the equipment. This includes factors such as the type of connector, the signal voltage, and the data transfer rate. Thirdly, the environmental conditions in which the jack will be used must be taken into account. This includes factors such as temperature, humidity, and the presence of corrosive substances. The jack must be able to withstand these conditions without degrading or compromising its safety or performance. Some examples of explosion-proof phone jacks and data jacks include models from manufacturers such as Hubbell, Thomas & Betts, and Krauss-Heinz. These manufacturers offer a range of jacks that are designed to meet various hazardous location requirements and application needs. For example, the Hubbell explosion-proof single-port RJ45 data jack Model 9200.2500 is designed for data connections in hazardous locations. The Thomas & Betts explosion-proof single-port RJ11 phone jack Model F40000 is designed for telephone connections in hazardous locations. The Krauss-Heinz explosion-proof dual-port RJ11/RJ45 data jack Model EAPS 212 provides both phone and data connections in hazardous locations. It is important to note that explosion-proof phone jacks and data jacks are typically more expensive than standard jacks due to their specialized design and construction. However, the increased cost is justified by the enhanced safety and protection they provide in hazardous locations. The use of explosion-proof jacks is essential for ensuring the safety of workers and equipment in these environments. When installing explosion-proof phone jacks and data jacks, it is crucial to follow all applicable codes and regulations, including the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and any other relevant local or industry standards. The installation must be performed by qualified personnel who are trained and experienced in working with explosion-proof equipment. Proper installation is essential to ensure that the jack functions correctly and provides the intended level of protection. This involves ensuring proper grounding, sealing of conduits, and adherence to manufacturer's instructions. Regular inspection and maintenance of explosion-proof phone jacks and data jacks are also important to ensure their continued safety and performance. Inspection should be conducted periodically to check for any signs of damage, corrosion, or wear. Any damaged or worn jack should be replaced immediately. Maintenance may include cleaning the jack to remove dust or debris and lubricating the connectors to ensure smooth operation. The specific maintenance requirements will vary depending on the type of jack and the environmental conditions in which it is used. In summary, explosion-proof phone jacks and data jacks are critical components for providing safe and reliable communication and data transfer in hazardous locations. These jacks are designed to prevent explosions by containing sparks and arcs. When selecting and installing explosion-proof jacks, it is important to consider the type of hazardous location, the equipment being connected, and the environmental conditions. Adherence to codes, regulations, and manufacturers' instructions is essential for ensuring the safety of workers and equipment. Remember to consult the 2014 NEC for specific guidelines and requirements related to explosion-proof equipment and wiring in hazardous locations. Always prioritize safety and ensure that all electrical work is performed by qualified personnel.